Hi, my name's Ian and welcome to the channel. If you've not been in before and you have been in before, then welcome back. This is part 9 of the 2-week Canary cruise we went on back in December. In this particular video we're on the island of La Palma, where we go to Santa Cruz, and while we're there we go buggy driving and also have a walk around Santa Cruz itself. Before the video starts, it'd be great if you can like and subscribe to the channel as well as hitting that notification bell for further videos. So without further ado, let's go to La Palma. Well, good morning. Today you join us in La Palma in a buggy. There you come. Hello. The answer's going to be driving. Woohoo! We're off now. And here we have driving the vehicle is Frosty Schumacher. And she's tearing on the road over a speed bump. Whistling through here and it's lovely. the vehicle at all times. Slidey here, don't we? Sort of walks around here, yeah?
Sorry?
There's walks all around here.
It's what?
Walks.
Walks?
Walks.
Walks.
Walks, yeah, not warts. Let's go for a nice wart. Beautiful view out to sea there. Where's the road disappeared to? Off, it's disappeared. Okay, that gets to lovely. Go. Absolutely fantastic views. Off-road. Absolutely lovely view here, looking over the bay, and we can see the boat in the distance.
La Palma is situated like this. There you see Santa Cruz with the ship in the harbour and the ferry coming in now.
Just walked to the side of the viewpoint now and looking over this area of green. It's absolutely beautiful here. It's our first time on La Palma, but absolutely gorgeous. And this is our buggy. Got the green ones, so we're environmentally friendly. I say, I don't know whether they've been left outside or been washed or something, but the seats are wet and I've got a wet bum, so it's like that. Right over in the distance, just above the tree line that's there where my finger is, if you go look directly above it to above the cloud line, you can actually see the top of Mount Teide on Tenerife. It's not often you can actually see that. And then over to the right, not sure how well it's being picked up in the camera, right over in the distance is the island of La Gomera, which is where we started just over a week ago. La Palma is a volcanic island, and they had some eruptions here a little while ago. And just the lady who's part of the tour was telling us that when it erupted that it passed within 30 metres of her house and actually wiped out her vineyard in the back garden. So they were lucky not to lose the property. But all these little mounds you can actually see here in front are small volcanoes, but there is a big one on the other side of the island. So I say the atmosphere is changing here all the time. Keep getting the clouds coming in and out. You see the mist there in the distance. Well, welcome to Santa Cruz La Palma. A volcanic beach down there. I bet that sun gets absolutely baking hot in the summertime. Looks like it's a very pretty little place. Ship there in the distance. Well, today is the 17th of December and walking down the seafront here in Santa Cruz La Palma. And it's about 27 degrees and it's baking. Am I complaining? Not at all. So it's pulling away now from Santa Cruz La Palma. I must say it's been a great day today. We went buggy driving this morning and then went out for a lovely walk into the town this afternoon. Yeah, well, a lovely place. It's on my list of places to come back to, certainly at a later date. So we've now got about 230 nautical miles to go to get us across to Arrecife in Lanzarote. That's the next port of call.